Hello, welcome guys. This is the next project in the project series, and for today, we are going to make a music app. Music app is the app like which shows all the details about the music and the artist and allows you to play it. So, without wasting the time, let's jump into the project. So, for this project, the things we have im imported is like firstly, the package is Google Forms, and the most important package is like HTTP. So this package helps us to like get the data from the API. And for this project, we are going to use API. So like without wasting the time, let's jump into the main project thing. So firstly, let's make a main function in which like we have all the run app features. So let's call run app. Let's import this library and others too. And inside the run app, let's create a stateless widget. Stateless widget, and let's name it as a buy app. After this, let's replace container with material app. Perfect. And inside material app, we can define some of the properties like debug checker, mode banner. Let's give it a false here. And after that, we can also define the home screen. So for the home screen, let's name it music screen. So let's make a music screen. It will be a stateless widget cause all the details inside this will be changing. So stateful widget and let's name it as a music screen. Perfect. And here we are. And the next thing, perfect. Now we just have to like include constant everywhere. So this is like our basic setup for the music app. Uh, After this, Um, let's try to like build the important functions or the variables which like we are going to use in the app. So firstly, let's make a list. So for the list, let's define a list of dynamic type of which let's name a list of songs and define it as an empty list. After we have to like define it before the override. Perfect. So This is all the list, and let's make a function for getting the data. So it will be a future function. So after that, let's name it as a fetch song, and it is a future function. So it will be a async function. After that, we define a variable as a response, which should be a wait, and the thing we have to like import is package HTTP as okay. Now we can use HTTP and dot. So we will have want to get the function, get the data. So we'll use the get, and inside get we have URI parse, and inside which we can define a API. So for the API, we have this. I'll post the API in the description. So this is our API, and let's just format it. Perfect. So we have like got all the response inside the response variable, and we just have to like write the condition. If response the we get response status code is equals to 200, then all the data will be stored inside the data variable. So just have to remove this and import some libraries like this and decode the data of response body, after which we have like set state. We can call the set state function inside which we have songs which have data. So we have to like give the previous name here, and from which we have to like get the data. So else you can skip this condition too, but let's write it for the sake. And else we can use set state, set the list as a empty list. Perfect. Let's format it. So this is our function like which we are going to use for the app. And perfect. So this is our function and a variable. Now let's move to the UI designing section. So for this section, we'll remove this. cut this and make a scaffold here. Scaffold refers to the screen, and inside the scaffold we have a background color of let's call it as a black. Just colors, perfect. And next thing we want is a app bar. So for the app bar, using app bar, and inside app bar, we can give a title. So for the title, inside title, let's make a row first, and inside row we always have a children. Perfect. So this is our uh, we can also give alignment here. Let's give it a Linux alignment as a space between them, and inside the children we'll have the text. For the text, let's give it as a top charts, and after that, uh, we can give a style. For the style, we have Google Fonts as always. Dot Poppins is my favorite song font, and inside we can give a font size 24 and font weight. Font weight of 600. Perfect. And color. Perfect. So this is less formatted. And after a text, let's make a container which will be of height 50 and width 60, not 60, it's also 50. And decoration with box decoration inside border radius of circular 100 and color colors dot green accent dot shade 700. Perfect. And let's do this. And the next thing we want is to give a child here. So for the child, we have icon. You can make an icon button. I'm making like it is not functionable, but like you can use or like make a function inside this player. Perfect. And color will be a black. Perfect. We can also give a size of 30 and make it as a center. Perfect. Perfect. So this is our app bar. Some things we can also do is like give elevation as a 0 and background color as black or transparent as you want. So this is our app bar. Next, let's move to the body. So for the body part, let's call a body and inside body. We have like uh, firstly, let's make a column. So inside column, we always have a children. So for children, firstly, let's make a size box of height. Let's give it a 16. And after this, let's call expanded widget. Inside expanded, we want the future builder. So perfect. And for the future builder, we have firstly the future, and inside future we can call a function. And after that, we have a builder. So for builder, we'll use snapshot this, and we want to return a list type. Perfect. So this is the thing we want to return. Not the list style, it will be is slide list view builder. Yeah, perfect. So for the list view builder and for the item builder, we have context index, and here we can return list view. List type. Perfect. Perfect. So this is the thing. The next thing list view builder wants is the item count. So item count will be of the the list length we made above. Perfect. And for the list style, we want firstly like leading a song image of a album cover or a song. So first make a variable of song, and after song we have like songs index. Perfect. And you can use this variable throughout the thing. And for the list style, we have a leading. For leading, I have image network. And inside image network, we have images. Perfect. With 60 and of height. Thank you. And after this, we'll have the title. So this title will be inside a single child scroll view of the scroll direction. It's a horizontal. for which we have child of row, and for the row we always have children. So children, we have a text. For the text we have song name. Perfect. And you can check all this from the Postman. I'll provide you the API and the style we want same as the above. You can copy this. Perfect. We just only can change. Let's make it perfect. Let's again and after title, we'll have subtitle, uh, which also be the text, so we can copy it here and just have to add one thing more here. Artist. Perfect. So this and can also add like this if there is not a name. So like we have done with the coding part. Let's move to the building part of the app. So let's try to like build it first. So our app is like installing. So I think we have an error. Let's try to build it again. So our app is like built now. So this is on the details of all the only thing like we have to like we forgot is to like define the thing about that the list will be not empty. So this is our final app, and we have like the details of all the Taylor Swift songs or albums like Speak Now, Evermore, Midnight, 1989, my personal favorite. So thank you for watching, and I hope you like the video. And if you like the video, please make sure you like, subscribe the channel, and let's meet in another picture. Thank you.